So what you're going to do today is, first thing you're going to do is creating your accounts, all of yours, on community as discussed, explaining the, let's say, app market, that what we discuss, how we are using it, and how we can see that. And third, we'll start with the admin console part. Okay, so we'll go one by one, because what can I say, wherever I have a chat window, here it is. So I want any one of you share your screen, else community.apn.com. Okay, hit this URL, share your screen. Community.apn.com. Yeah, here we go. So guys, able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So can you try to hit this URL?
Yep.
You're done.
Anyone can share your screen, guys. Anyone can share your screen. Else do one thing. Any one of you need to register. Who is going to register? Ashwin?
Yeah, I've registered. I'm not sharing my screen because I'm connected from my office laptop. And I mean, I've blocked
Understood.
time between schedule. I'm in the UK.
Okay. That's fine. What about you, Bala?
I am also from connected from my office laptop.
So let me ask you.
No problem.
If you're connected,
No problem. I'll share my screen.
okay. So just want to ask to Ashwin and Bala both. I mean, you guys are okay. I mean, to do that recap, right? If you're working on office laptop, but that's fine, right? You can also start initiating the work, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Perfect. Then that's fine.
So I
Okay.
already have an Appian account, so I've logged in.
Cool. Okay. Okay. I think you already have.
Actually, I don't have rights to share my screen.
Not an issue now. Let me do this thing. Let me try to share my screen. Just a second.
Even I also have that account. The thing.
Oh, that's super, yeah. Okay. So, okay, all of you have account already.
No, I don't have actually. So
Sorry, Vishwan.
I don't have account. I need to create.
You have to create, right?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah. So, can you try to share your screen by hitting the link?
No, actually, it's disabled for me to share your screen as the organizer to make your presenter.
Okay, let me make you presenter.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
correct.
now you're presenter.
Hope now
Okay,
it's visible,
so
right?
I believe that Ashwin and Bala, both of you have an account, right?
Yes, yes.
Go with the sign in. Vishwan, you can see that, right? Sign in oblique register.
Uh,
Yeah.
Register, yes.
Yes. Click on that and
Yeah, but tried creating a new account, but I'm getting this message.
how it is there? It's really strange. community.apn.com. You can see that email validation. What was that? The fourth tab. Fourth tab. Yeah, what was that? Email validation. Open that tab.
Actually,
Because if you tried already, then it might be. Yeah. What was that? Can you just click on that email validation?
sorry, cursor is
Oh,
mm, should be hide right in top of this part.
okay. That's fine. I think we'll give you the like account. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Okay. If it is not working at your end, let me try to see if I can. Yeah. Let me quickly share my screen. So you just need to do this thing. Okay. Let me try to see if you can access this. This one. Try to close the window and try to see if you can. Okay, why it is it's happening? Okay, okay, got it. Okay, now okay. I think I stopped sharing. So once you're able to do that, Vishwal, then you will get a mail, and then we click on verify. Then you can see the Google Authenticator.
That part I haven't done yesterday actually. I tried. After that is getting that message that newly account created is readable. You need to contact your administrator like this message display.
Don't let me try. What is happening? Okay, next 061366. Okay, company. If you want, you can give anything. Okay, let's see. Let me give. is what the ID is generated automatically. Now, I don't know why it is not showing for you, Biswal. So you already received a mail and you already done all of this thing. You already set up your authenticator as well.
No, that part I've not done.
Because that link is only valid for I think 2 hours, not more than 2 hours. And if you fail to do the verify, you won't get into the
Okay, let me try on another account, another email ID.
yeah. So guys, yeah, to take some time to Ashwin and Bala. So you are at this page. Can you able to open this page? I mean,
Yeah.
go to the
Yes.
my
Yes.
yeah. Can you able to see this my community edition site?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Okay. So Biswal, till the time you try to do that, I will go ahead and explain what
Yeah,
is
sure.
this tab and all, and later okay we'll quickly grab the how the designer will you how you will get the community thing. Yeah. So here you can see different there are different six things okay over there of the community. First thing we can see is a discussion. So what discussion? Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can write a question. So like let's say I'm putting what is Appian. Okay. So here you can see what are the challenges or limitation of APN. Yeah. Okay. You can see software. Basically different person okay comes and responds to your question. You can see 2 replies, 9 subscriber, and these are the views, and 1 member is here. Kind of. Yeah. So
Hi, Piyush,
anything you
sorry for
can.
interrupt. Sorry to interrupt.
Sorry.
Sorry to interrupt. Actually, I have done some set of multi-factor authentication. I have done email authentication. Do I need to any other SMS, Google? It's not required, right?
Only I think any one is fine, Biswal.
Anyone is fine. Okay.
Yeah. If you want, you can share this screen quickly. We can quickly have a look.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Can you please make a permission?
Oh yes. Again, I need to. Yeah. Just a second. Okay, Biswal and yeah. Mhm. Okay. Verification mail sent. Last time you can give anything. Okay. Okay. You already have it now. Just enter 2 characters, Biswal.
It's
What is the
required.
email ID you kept? What is the email ID you kept, Biswal?
Visual EI
No, no. I mean, is that a public one or a
personal
company one?
personal one
Personal
personal
one,
one.
right? Because,
Yeah.
so yeah, you can say company is Biswal, something like any company you can give. Yeah, Biswal in this yours. That's fine. Developer, APN developer, make it like APN developer. It's not even required. Yeah, 2 character, one
Not
character is fine. No need to give full. Yeah.
it's
Okay.
fine. One
Scroll
two.
down. That's fine. Just give your country. That is also fine. Only country, city, country, state. Okay. Update. No, no need. No need. That's fine. Update. Yeah, and save profile. Okay, cool. Okay, good. So
Yeah.
now all of us are at this stage, right? So now
Yeah.
what we need to do, okay, as you are sharing, let me continue with that. So Ashwin, okay, I think Raju, you also joined. Good, yeah. Good to see you.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Piyush.
Hi, Raju. So we are in process of registering on the community account. So do you already have your account or what?
I already subscribed it, but it is taking more than 4 days actually. It is still saying that like we are a bit busy with the um, we are a bit busy and you'll get a notification once
Verification.
you're yeah, it's ready. It's already been 4 days. I'm actually following up with them.
No, I mean, you're talking about your site or you're talking about your account?
Site.
Site, right? So account you
Yeah.
already have, right?
Yeah. Account is already have.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. So Ashwin and Bala. Okay. I also want you to follow whatever the Biswal is taking a step. Biswal, just click on get my site.
Get my site.
Yeah. Okay. And let's say select your cloud version US. That's fine. United States, let it be. And no, I'm evaluating Appian for use at my company. No, it's for personal use, right? You can go with, yeah, third one. Last second. No, below to that. I'm completing Appian training online or in person. Yeah.
Okay.
And checkbox. Okay. Hold on. Don't click on. Are you guys following the same? Ashwin and Bala?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. So here you are getting scroll up. Correct. So just click on check status. No. Go to profile one again. It is just redirecting you to your profile. Okay. Go click on that avatar. Okay. Near to that map icon. In the icon this one.
Yeah,
You
this
can
one,
see the
right?
bell icon. No. You can see the bell icon, message icon, notes icon. The last one, avatar. The last one. Yeah, click on that. My profile. Your profile. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, scroll down. Already there. Why it is okay? Phone number. It is asking. Just give any phone number. You can see, right? You can scroll down and see phone number is giving you error. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Try to give any phone number. Are you guys able to register? Bala and this.
Yeah, able to
Yes.
register.
Okay.
Update, right?
Yeah. Update and click on save profile.
Now I'm on this page, resources overview user guide.
Actually, I'm not saying your son. Okay. So, okay, scroll up. Yeah, scroll down. Resources overview guidelines, right? It is a learning journey. Okay, it comes to a learning journey. So you just need to click on just a second, man. Yeah. So there, okay, you will see. Just try to. Yeah, just a second, man. Close it. Okay. Try to refresh the screen. Yeah, cool. Click on check status. Have you received any mail? No, right? When your environment is available, you will get.
Yeah, I received the
Okay.
mail.
The last one, right? Delay in fulfilling request, not that one. Yeah. Okay. How to log in? Perfect. So I believe Raju, you are also at the same stage, and Ashwin and Bala, both of you are also at
Same.
the same stage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Perfect. Okay then. Yeah, that's all. Okay. For today from your end. Okay. Now let me quickly share my screen because it will take around 2 to 3 days. Okay. And we also take 2 to 3 days for the admin console and rest of the other part. Yeah, till your environment is up, get and ready. And Surya, I think yeah, you joined. Yeah, Surya, you there?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, Surya. So have you registered on APN? Do you have the APN account?
Yeah, I have the same issue too.
Oh, you have the same issue. But so I mean, you're also waiting for the site, right, to be up.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Okay, okay, that's fair enough here. Okay, that's it. Let me share my screen back. Okay, we'll quickly go ahead on this. Okay. Okay, so Surya, then Raju, Swal, Ashwin, and Bala. Start. Okay, good. So this is the first thing. Now, second, a community. You know, the community basically consists of, as I said, 6 different things. Okay, so first is discuss. What discuss means, like the discussion portal, you can say. Okay, or page, okay, where if you have any doubt, you can search correlated topic, which will helps you to get your solution. Else, you can go ahead and post the question publicly, and Appian professional can comment, or let's say answer, and provide idea or solution for the same. Okay, so if I click on this discussion, so here you can see what everybody is talking about. Okay, so memory threshold issue when filter. Oh my god, I got into memory threshold issue when filter all set up from DB and a solution. Then addition login page. Okay, Google recaption. What is this? Yeah, log into Appian Designer Path, but it got below the attach page. Okay, did you try navigate the designer navigation top menu? Okay, likewise. Yes, I click the same. Okay, likewise. Okay, you will get, so here you can see Stephen as well, right? So he replied to the question of the Chandrakala. Likewise, there is someone who can give your answer. Any question you can post it over here, and here you can see the segregations. Okay, so administrator related, then AI and rules, community editions, there are 48, chat, best practice related, data record, general integration, new to Appian. Okay, if I click on new to Appian, let's say, yeah, what are the things? How many days it will take to create community edition site? It's a good question, right? Right now we are having, so signed in community side, it's been 2 days. I have signed up. It shows when you're okay, that's what you guys, everybody is saying. Anyone knows how many days? So they should not take any number of days. Okay, so you can say try to contact community edition at apn.com. Correct. So all of us, okay, we, if you want, because I mean we already get an mail, right? It is getting delayed. So if it is as at least getting delayed more than I think for whom I can say, yeah, for I think Surya and sorry, Raju and Biswal, Raju and Surya, right? You guys already waited more than 1 or 2 days, correct? So you guys can
Yeah,
drop a mail to this community
yeah,
edition at apn.com. Okay, you
yeah.
can drop a
I
mail
already
like that.
dropped the mail and I have got the same response from there.
Same response even for me too.
A response like it is getting delayed. Is that the
Yeah,
response?
yeah.
Yeah.
Due to high volume,
Yes.
it is getting delayed.
Okay, because nowadays everybody is trying that. Okay. So try to follow up every day. Okay, say like I need to utilize this and create need to create a demo for end customer, and it's a big blocker for me. Okay, so try to follow up
Okay.
every day. Okay, just give a SLO 1 day. So like I mean Ashwin, Bala and Bishwal, okay, and myself, we four of us also try to follow up this thing, okay, starting tomorrow. This is the mail ID, community edition, okay, .apn.com. Okay, so here you can see different answers, right? So again, let me click on YouTube, and so you guys can definitely explore this part. Okay, who are the new to APN? Okay, then, and here you can see latest 8 hours ago, 9 hours ago. This timeline also you can see. Yeah, for the latest replies, not the post. Okay, so here you can see the APN developer course. What is that? Okay, I'm going to the APN developer course. I'm not notified some information missing. When I'm trying to pass quizzes, I'm completely stuck in expression. Is there any something else? We're doing the basic developer course. Okay, so here you can say yes, you may want to elaborate and then the courses are well designed as understood, but if you look at the docs.apn.com quick links, there will be find everything you know for the becoming a developer. Okay, so basically this is what the discussion is. Definitely you can go ahead and explore this thing. What are the different questions people are asking? Yeah, okay, is that clear, the discussion part? Is that fair enough? Anything you can just click and try to get into, but I suggest not at this moment. Okay, at least once we are done with the half of the course, because right now definitely you didn't understand it much, and you will get the confusion and coming up with the questions. So I suggest once we are done with the half of the course, I will let you know when you guys need to get into the discussion. Okay, but you understand, right, what we are going to with the discussion. Okay, now let me go to the app market first. Okay, so what is the app market? All Appian type versus publish their application or plugin on this market, and it's open for all. Okay. So like for an example, if I can say, yeah, let's say there is one requirement. Okay, I think you or some of you guys can correlate. Okay, let's say there is a process A. Okay, and we started. Okay, like we started process. Now what we want? Okay, so process is already started, and let's say we are in production. Okay, so definitely as a developer, okay, or anything as a developer perspective, we cannot go ahead. We don't have access to production, right? We can only access the front. Correct. So how will you debug if you are okay? We are in production now. What is the requirement? The client comes to you and say, "Hey, buddy, what I want. There is one variable, okay, known as yeah, known as let's say customer name. Okay, that is Bala. Okay, I want to change that customer name Bala to Peaceful. Okay, on the ongoing instance. Don't want us to touch the existing process model, but we already have an instance. Okay, instance is running, and requirement is to need to change the variables value. Okay, so that time what we need to do, so we can don't have any flexibility on this area. Okay, we cannot use anything inside the Appian. We don't have anything, basically Appian didn't provide anything to resolve this issue that time. And it is one of the most like whenever you're giving interviews, so it's the most coming up answers or most of the coming up questions. If your application in production, if your process is started and your instance are running and you would like to change, okay, the value for that instance might be there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, any unlimited instance. So what you need to do, how will you change the variable's name? So that time, okay, one of the company launch one of the plugin, and that is known as IFM. Okay, so there is a IFM manager. You can see it is launched by Appian Corporation. It's a plugin. We can see we can utilize in plug function and smart service as well. Okay, and the course is free. It is known as IFM and it stands for in-flight modification. Okay, using this in IFM manager, we can go ahead and change variables value. Okay, so this is not available by default in your Appian environment, not your client, not the community, none of them. We have to come to the app market. We can click on the download. App is available to download for the Appian customer, partner, and employees. Please make sure the self-associate from your profile. Okay, so yeah, we need to make sure we are self-associate, then only we can download this. Okay, we can do that. But yeah, so here you can see all are there or started sleeping.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought, I mean, it's a pin of silence. So here you can see what IFM manager can do, right? So this is one of the important question that always comes to the interview or whenever you are going with any architecture approach or, so definitely it is one of the solution. So here you can see the smart service allow a designer in programmatically in-flight modification calls within a process flow. And this query used to update running instance, okay, by SQL like syntax. So even no need to go, okay, what is the syntax would be. You just need to scroll down and see, okay, this is what the syntax is supposed to be. And you just need to, utilize with respect to your criteria or requirement. Okay. So, I mean, this is what the app market is. This is one of those finest example on the app market. Okay. Control C. Anyhow, I provided the link, so I think that's fine. No need to post it. And what can we do? Using this, okay, we can do the mass update or for a specific instance. One instance and multiple instance. Got this? Yeah. So likewise, now let me go to the market. Okay. Here you can see the types, solution by Appian, solution by partner. If there is any plugin, connected system, function, utility, and RPA. These are the different types that we can filter on. What is the different industry that Appian supports? I think one of you already asked. So here you can see main or major domains are manufacturing, finance, government, healthcare, insurance, pharma, retail, telecommunication, transportation, and oil and gas. I mean, utilities and energy. Other than that, I mean, we are also doing the, what can I say, a demo one-to-one application for any of the client that we want. Okay. So basically, I think it covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 9 to 10 industries, and it comes a very big industry. Whenever it is coming to the, yeah, please, someone is saying something. Someone's asking.
Yeah, Rutul, I have small doubt on this. So this IFM manager, like if we have any, if we need to update the some code or field on the fly, just saying that we need to download this IFM manager plugin, right? This
Mm-hmm.
plugin, no? So it will be again cost effective, right? Instead of
It's a free,
that,
right?
can't
That's
we?
what I showcased. That's what I showcased, right? Yeah.
Okay, okay. So as it's a free, we can download this one and update our code,
Exactly,
whatever we want to change.
exactly. Here you can see that's what I showcased you guys, right? Initially, cost is free.
Mm. So for any changes, we can, we can download this one and upload even in processes also, or any limitation on that.
On the IFM.
No, suppose if you suppose now suppose if
Are you
let's say
asking in
small
general?
change, yeah, yeah, general.
I mean, general with respect to the IFM or with respect to the app market?
No, suppose see you said if we need to change the variable. So as it's a small change, we can download this IFM and modify the code, right? Right? Or
No, generally, okay. Uh, it is also working for specific instance or single instance, but for single instance, we never recommend it, okay, because it's a heavy process, first of all. Okay, yeah,
mm,
definitely if it is more than one, because for single instance, what can we do? We can just monitor and change on the fly. That variable's value change on the fly. But as per the best practice, it is not good, okay, to change anything on the fly, okay, because it will only applicable to that particular instance. Okay, so
but
that's the reason this IFM manager comes into the picture. I do understand your question. Your query is that can we utilize for a minor or major any of the things
mm,
for the update? So
yeah,
the answer is
yeah.
yes.
But yeah, see, as
Piyush,
we are already using the variables, role inputs are variables, we can pass the value and dynamically, right? The variable use of the variable is that's right. So we can pass the value
And
on the fly,
exactly,
na?
we are definitely we are passing the value dynamically, right? Definitely, I'm not going
Mm,
to pass anything static. My form, I will present my form. On the form, I will enter the bala. Okay.
mm,
Then when I
mm,
click on submit, then it will be go ahead for the next page. So
yeah.
whenever I track my process model, correct. So I can see
Mm,
in my variables value as bala because that is entered by you, correct.
mm, 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 mm.
But now customer wants, I don't want bala, I want biswal. That how will you do?
So in
You
that
need to
case,
send the
so
variables value,
we
right?
okay. So instead of sending, you want to say instead of re-enter the value biswal in the form, want to change in the form itself, or
No, no, we no need to trigger the form. Okay, I'm just giving you a very layman example. Okay, I'm not
mm,
considering the very high end process flows that are live in process production. So just assume
okay.
we are in a very large workflow where we have, let's say, around 20 nodes in our process model. We
Mm-hmm.
currently, let's say, we are at 11th node. Definitely, we cannot either go ahead and complete the process or we cannot go ahead and back to the first. Okay,
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
because all
okay.
the database things are already done. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
so
Okay,
with
okay. In
respect,
that model, okay. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
yeah, even if there is any task comes up, so we can also go ahead and cancel the task using that. We'll showcase how
Mm-hmm.
it looks. IFM manager looks in a blinking approach. We'll showcase how it looks. Okay, whenever we are okay, just try to
Oh,
remind me.
okay. Yeah, sure.
IFM
Thank you.
manager.
Piyush, just a quick question. So whatever this IMF is there, right? So whenever we want, so that can be enabled within the production environment, or it should be considered while the designing itself, like the planning phase itself, or in the production whenever we have a requirement to change the value, then
Correct.
on the fly
So definitely.
itself.
So this is what are the steps? Okay. So for an example, let me note it down over here. So I so first of all, we'll go to the app market and download to local. Okay, local system. Then what can we do? We'll log into the production environment. Okay, will who is the system admin? They will go to the plugin where they can import plugin. There we need to give what is that download jar file or zip file that we have for the FM, and they need to import plugin and review it's imported IFMM successfully. Later, any developer can see in the process, okay, whenever they would like to use IFM, they just need to type the IFM over there in the smart service and utilize that. Okay, so this is what process that we are following for any of the plugin. I'm just giving an example for any of the plugin. Is that clear?
Yeah, it is clear. Like, so once we download the plugin, it should go along with that code. Then only that will be available during the production.
Not code, right? Not code.
Right.
You
I
just
mean,
need to
the
click
smart
on.
service. Yes, right.
No, you just need to download this. When you download this, there is a zip file. It is getting downloaded. You
Right.
just need to go to the plugin of the admin console of that particular environment and click on import. There you just need to upload. Okay, there are two things. Upload. So when you upload that zip file that we already downloaded over here on the local machine, okay, and then we can go ahead and click on import. So once the import is
Right.
done, then you can see the IFM manager in your process model. And it is not
Got
coming
it.
automatically. Definitely you need to start that smart service and configure it.
Yeah. That's what I'm asking. So that should be available in the smart services.
Yes, correct.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, it's clear, Piyush.
Okay. Author, okay, all the companies, okay, here you can see community contributor and Appian apps, all of the companies starting A to Z. Okay, we are getting over there. Okay, only those there are definitely not only these companies we do have an Appian. We have also some of the company who never upload any of the application or the solution or plugin to the app market. So those companies are not visible over here. Okay, but the company already uploaded the solution, anything like that. Okay, solution, this is solution, plugin, connected system, function, or RPA. This will be visible as an author. Here you can see the badges. So we can also sort by badges as well. The solution is production, cloud approved, award winner, these all things. And definitely the base thing is that free and paid. So let's go with the free, and if you can search out. So there are a lot more HTML to PDF, Appsino, Vuram, MongoDB, SQL to Excel. Yeah, so there are a lot more. I cannot. Yeah, so if I can click on how many there are, 12, 12 on each page. So almost 60. Okay, more than 60 basically. 7. Yeah. So definitely, you guys can, yeah, there are multiple. Okay, it's not a single one. So some of them are also, it's not. Some of them are just imported due to showcase their name, okay, on this portal. Okay, some of them are not having the here you can see the ratings 5-star, which means definitely it is working fine. Okay, no one is utilize this. Yeah, 3 stars, so there is some limitation over there. Using that we can definitely understand how this things are working. So there are 3 stars, so there is something plugin. That's how we can identify. This is what the app market is. Okay, definitely, you can go ahead and utilize this, what is the slider and all of this thing. Yeah, now coming to the learn part. Okay, any question on the app market thing?
No.
Good, right? Learn here. You can we'll give you whenever I give you exercise, So you just need to go through the videos. Okay, so that videos are laid on this page. That's it. Okay, exercise, everything you will get, okay, onto this page, learn page. And whenever you also need to do a certification, that certification is also there. Whenever we are, almost 80-90% complete, or at the end of the class, we'll go with one of the practice certification. So just to see, okay, how you guys are performing. And we'll go in batch. Okay, there are 4 or 6. We'll go in batch of 2, likewise. Okay, let me quickly showcase you. Yeah. Choose a learning path and explore Appian certification. There are two things. Yeah, as I said, learning is totally learning path, and explore Appian certification is totally different. Now, and yeah, we also have a community on YouTube as well. They launch on, I think, June last year, 2022. Whenever you started doing this thing, okay, here you can see ready to ramp up. So stakeholder, manager, business leader, okay, developer, integrators, okay. So what is the best? It's a builder, right? And to be an Appian developer. Right now we are going with this, right? You're not going to maintain an infrastructure. You're not going to, helping to other, right? You're not a BA basically, or not an owner, and even the stakeholder. UX designer definitely will need, but it will be later. But right now we are going with this builder role. If I click on this, okay, so these are the different topics. Okay, generally build there. Appian developer, applied, advanced UX design. Yeah. So here you can see online 80 hours. Okay, so ILP definitely we are not going to do. Yeah, instruction lead or assisted. So if you click on this online, I believe it will ask you to log in. Okay, and it will be auto login then. Okay. So definitely I'm going to use this thing. Okay, the 80 hours thing you can see, right? Online 80 hours. So whenever I'm done with the things, I will give you the exercises. Okay, so you just need to go with 1 hour, or daily. That what I already said, correct? I need your time. Okay, so we'll see how it will be go. As soon as I completed that particular what can I say, practice, that time I will ask you to do this. Okay, not, it's not required at this moment. Yeah, but here you can choose your learning path. These are the certification. This is ILP, private or online. Okay, but they are very costly. Okay, if you can click on, I mean, you can definitely explore this, how it looks. Yeah, and if we can go with this feature courses, administrator. Okay, here you can see one by one process modeling. Okay, automation, interfaces, a database query, and process mining. There are, and what we need basically, we need a process modeling definitely later on, and interfaces. Okay, but not at this moment. And whenever you will choose the certification, okay, where is that? Yeah, explore Appian certification. So generally Appian have 4 different certification. The first one is analyst. Okay, but there is no any prerequisites. If you want to do the associate developer, it's not really required. You need to do the analyst. So generally nowadays people are skipping the analyst one. Okay, because it costs the same thing, $200. But for senior dev and lead dev, definitely you need to follow, you need to complete the senior dev and associate, and for senior you will need to complete the associate dev. Okay, just when you click on learn more, it will go to the examity. You need to schedule and all of this thing. And we do have RDP, we do have RPA plus IDP Pro as well here. Okay, where we can, the cost is $50, so it's a RPA. So why it is less? Because right now, as I said, no one started using this at actual. Okay, this is what the certification and learning journey is. Any question on this?
So for senior developer, we need to do associate developer. Is it
Correct.
mandatory?
Yeah, it is mandatory.
Okay. The associate means is it L1 Rutul?
Correct.
Or
Associate is L1.
L1. Okay. L2 senior. Lead developer is L3 maybe. Okay. It's a
Correct.
sequence.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and starting May 21, it almost 2 years, going to complete 2 years. May 21, they introduced the Invigilator. Okay, so we have to log in. I mean, we need to install the Zoom app, and there is no cheating. Okay, allowed basically. They will
Oh,
Okay, so they will scan your entire room. We need to, circle 360. No one is going to enter during those time period. If you would like to have a pee or anything, you cannot. Only thing is that you can carry a water bottle. That's it. Nothing is allowed during the certification.
yeah, yeah. Now
And
I think it's yeah, yeah. AWS having that kind of environment. Yes.
oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
are going to complete almost 2 years in this May. Okay, this is because earlier, everybody is developer because, for an example, even I also did for my organization. Okay, they need to increase the APN strength. So I also did associate senior lead many times. Okay, because there is no any IP track, nothing. So we are getting, not a good developer, only the this thing. So now they introduce this. So it's a good, cool. Okay, now success. Okay, so that just you can review it's a success center. Okay, what is the vision, delivery, architecture, platform? What is APN Max? Vision, people, delivery, architect, and platform. There's a different story of the client. Okay, if I, for an example, yeah, if I click on vision, okay, so it is basically, if I can say, for the organization level. Okay, if there is some company, okay, would like to join the APN. So what is the different features and what are the different things on the APN end? So they can go through it and see that. So it's basically not for us the success thing. If you want, definitely you can read it. Okay, but yeah, these are the basically success stories. Okay, in support, whenever we have a discuss something, we have a support. Okay, identical I can say, and there you can see different things. So we have a administrator, designer. Okay, then important thing, infrastructure, let's say. Okay, integrations, plugins, and facts. Okay, so if I click on the event design, okay, so it is just like the discussion. Can you see this? The knowledge base KB. Yeah, here you can see this, right? Support WKB. It's a basically knowledge base, AP knowledge base. Okay, in discussion, everybody is giving the answer open for all. And here, okay, in knowledge base, most probably the APN person are giving that particular answer and questions. Okay, with related to that particular thing. Okay, if I would like to, let's say, filter by email. Okay, so I can filter it. I would like to filter by process model. I can do that. So whenever you stuck, it's a base thing to access. Okay, and that will make you the standalone, or like you no need to depend on any of, not your lead, no one. If you go through it, definitely learn a lot more things. If you try the hands-on and get the error, or any troubleshooting. So this is what Appian knowledge base. Okay, if I click on, okay, so again all things selected facts. Okay, SAML, Kafka, here you can see Kafka. Okay, it's a MQ, like messaging queue services kind of. Okay, transition logs on facts. So you can definitely have this whenever you want whenever you get any error. Okay, this is what the support and discuss are. And now coming to the most important, that is what the documentation is, the most important part of the community.
I just got the site link and username password.
Oh, that's good, yeah. That's good. Is it Sarita?
Yes, yes, yes.
Superb, superb. We'll before closing this call, we'll review that together. Okay. So the success story of Appian customers, you can say partners. Okay. Now, what is that? Learn, we already covered learn. There is a success, support. You can say utilizing for TRU people shooting and self. Okay. And the important that I said documentation. Documentation is nothing but the dictionary. Okay, or I can say Gita of Appian. So here, okay, and it's open for all, and they made this thing publicly starting 17.2. Okay, like we don't have this thing. Here you can see Appian designer, data, interfaces, everything. Process mining, it's not yet required. Workflow and automation. Let's say if we click on this designer. Okay, what are the different object? What? Okay, here you can see design object, right? I think I covered on the first time. On the first or second day. Yeah, the data object, data store, data type, record type, process object, the process model report, and we have this RP as well. This three also we covered. Correct. You got this right? Yes, we already go through this, right? Went through this constant decision expression rule, connected integration with API likewise group object, document folder, okay, knowledge base rule folder, process model folder. Bit wording are different, okay, but yeah, this is what the object design objects are. Okay, then yeah, lot more thing. You will find all of the things over here in the documentation. Okay, you also need to, as I said, you need to go through the functions and all. So we'll let you know when it will be. Okay, so if I go through the release information, okay, if I can click the release history. Earlier I said Appian started the iPhone and Android on 16.1 2016. So what is the proof? I said you believe? No. Let me just try to do this. Okay, if in self-managed support, okay, these are the till 20.4, its support get expired. So right now we are in first quarter of 23. Okay, so 24 version 2020 is expired, and 1 and 2, so 4 and 4 8, yeah, so for Surya, okay, or let's say Biswal, Appian release its history every 3 months, okay, every quarterly one release history. So like anyhow, Appian is going to launch the 23.1, okay, for this year's first release on 22nd, the day after tomorrow. Okay, and it will be, if you want to be, you guys can enroll as well to be part of, see what are the new features and all. Okay, so you can see 8% are sustained, and rest of them are getting expired. If you still want, okay, like for example, there is some functionality that would like to continue, so definitely you need to explicitly contact to Appian and they will help you. Okay, so Appian mobile. Okay, so here you can see the proof is 16.1. Correct, the first version they launched as a 16.1, and that was Android 4.0. Okay, and the first version launched on 22nd of January. Yeah. And it will also come with the expiration as well. So generally you can say it will be there for almost 9 to 10 months, right? February, March, April, May. Yeah. 9 months, correct. If you can count this. 3rd May, okay, and 22.2, 3rd May to 3rd Feb. Okay. So almost 9 months. Whenever it releases till 9 months, it is getting expired. Yeah. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, kind of this. Okay. And the Android version are differ. Okay, 5.0 and 4.0. Same thing. Just a second, man. Yeah. Same thing for iOS as well. They launch iOS on 16.1 as well. And Appian for Intune iOS. And I'm not aware what is the Intune is also something. Anyone aware? What is the Intune iOS? Is there something different? They started, I think, 18 November 21 only. And this one last year only. Okay. So I think that is something, additional feature for the iOS and Android Intune. Okay, these are normal features. Okay, this is what the release history that Appian carries. Okay, the cloud, self-managed, that what I said, the on-premise and the mobile one. Okay, so any question on this? And definitely here we can go with the community. These are the release information. If you would like to see what is the release note for 22.4, we can go through it and see that. Okay, but it is not right now. We are not going to go through the release note. If required, we'll go at the end of the class. Then it will be a 23.1. Okay, it will come with the latest feature. That time also you can understand what we are talking. Right now definitely you didn't understand any of these things. Okay, so
Rutul Bala here.
yeah,
So,
Bala.
so whenever I mean, new release comes into the market, so suppose we developed with the old version, and that time we need to update our code, or it will be automatically.
Automatic. It will be automatic.
How I mean, some features may be deprecated, right? So how that will be? I mean, take care of in our code. I mean, which is already developed in the prod
Deprecated
environment.
deprecated things still persist in your code using okay underscore r1 or underscore r2. Good question, by the way. Okay, it will be still there, and you just need to okay, whenever it's deprecated, okay, it will be automatically done as r1 underscore r1 or r2. So like for an example, uh okay, let's say dashboard layout. Okay, we do have that dashboard layout. Dashboard layout expired somewhere between 2020. Okay, so it will be 10 out as r1. Okay, it will also, when it comes to the this dashboard layout underscore r2, because whenever the new release feature, okay, like launched, and they will give us a guide. R2 means you need to change your thing, so they will give you 2 years. For an example, dashboard layout is getting deprecated. Okay, Bala. So let's say
Okay.
20 in the day after tomorrow version, okay, 23, we are getting the dashboard layout as deprecated. But what if we are using it? Yeah, so it will be still
Mm.
there in your system, in your code base till 25, and you have enough time to find all the alternative for that.
Enough time is there, but again, I mean, that will be again need to change. I mean, need to give
No, they
some.
will come up with the alternatives as well, right? For an example, if I can tell you, uh, 18, just a second, 17, 18, yeah, 18 dot 4, sorry, 19.3. 19.3, okay, earlier what we have, 19.2, let's say, or 18.2, just, forget that particular exactly version. In record, okay, we are using RFN, okay, that is a record field, okay, and for record variable, we don't have any context, nothing. So on 19.3, okay, they launched, changed the entire record thing. Nowadays, I mean, if you can see the record of 5 years back, there are a lot more things that we are doing the manually. Okay, and right now, if I want to understand you about the record, I think it's less than a 1 hour session. Okay, it is that quick. I just need to configure and go. That's it. Okay, it was not like that. So in that version, okay, they removed that RF bank. Okay, and they introduced the RV bank. It's a record variable. So all of the things are getting disturbed. What you are, just highlighting the point, Bala. Okay, all of the things are getting disturbed, and our existing application are not working. That time, okay, in Appian history, there are only two versions. Okay, two versions outbreak. Everybody, who are using that, they need to apply the hot fixes. Okay, so they need to apply hot fixes. So hot fix is always available, okay, in the Appian documentation, or in whenever you connected with the Appian, it will be always there, the hot fixes. You can download that 18.2 or wherever it is working, a 19.2 hotfix, okay, and utilize this. Does that answer your question, Bala, or not?
Yes, yeah, hot fixes and software updated ways okay, but the customer, I mean, if something code needs to be updated, I mean, whoever is using, so they have to take care of that updates, right? So again, they have
No,
to.
that is the thing that, so for an example, if you are a lead or architect, that is your
Mhm.
responsibility of your application. If any version comes, okay, let's say we are going to have 23.2 launch on 22nd, and it is going to affect by 6th of the March. So whenever it is getting an affect, I mean whenever it is going getting what can I say, upgraded your 20.4 APN hands-on version to 23.1. First 2 days, definitely you need to do the analysis part, whether any functionality is not breaking up. Okay, as a lead or as an architect of your application, that is your responsibility.
I understood that, Rutul, but see, I mean, suppose one of the customers, I mean, use the Appian and already developed, they don't have any development team, they have only maintenance, application support, they don't have any, so they don't want to
So
upgrade.
whenever any customer like that who is working on the maintenance part, they are generally moved to the on-premise. And on-premise, it is always easy. Okay, what is, because on-premise we are not getting the frequent updates.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
That is
So
the
they would
alternate.
like to,
Okay.
so that's why, Barclays, Citi, HSBC, these banks are working on, the on-premise, their own network, not on cloud. So the command
For
and
banking
control both of them in the banking hand or in their hand. Okay. Whatever they want to do, whatever they want, they can utilize it. Is in cloud, there is no any control. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, got it.
Because
Thank
I
you.
was part of that this thing, and I do know this thing very well. This thing comes to me in 18.2 almost in 2018 it was, so it is 18.2 only. It is working in 18.2, and starting 18.3 we are getting this RVMing update. Okay, earlier we don't have anything like site and all. Nowadays it is getting too good. Okay, easy to use basically. So yeah, I did that. So that's
Yeah,
how.
okay. Thank
You know.
you. Okay, Rutul,
And
thank
here
you.
you can see release information. These are the hot fixes. So let's see. Also raised it. So self-managed package. So what is that? Self-managed? It's a on-premise. Okay, if anything comes up, self-managed, lot more things are available. Here you can see, right? Correct. Till October 2022, 22.4, everything it will be there. 95, 4.95 to 4.445. And they will also give you the installation guide, how you need to do the hot fixes installation. Yeah. And okay, let me, before wrapping up, these are the solution that Appian provided. Okay, the COVID, like COVID-19, government, finance, insurance, and operational. Okay, extending Appian, it is the API thing. Administrator, you can see what is architecture and all. Okay, let me click on the architecture once. Okay, that what we covered, right? All of this thing. Here you can see high level overview. But I think if you go with this wording, you will get confused. It's not straightforward. It is in purely Appian developer mindset. The way I like, what can I say, giving you on an easiest way the data application and into this presentation. Okay, it's very quick way. The web server, all things they are giving you. Appian engines, as I told you, process execution, process analytics, right? Yeah, there are 15 engines. Yeah. So support legacy portal, 3 process analytics, 6 other. So here you can see that 6 engine. What are the 6 engine that I was talking about? So that is a content, collaboration, portal, email, personalization, process design. So it is just for the knowledge. No one will ask you in depth ever. Okay. The search server, ID, file storage, okay, all of these things are there. Okay, that is in architecture. Okay, start, stop APN, database design, guidance, and all. Now, most important thing that we are using is the APN or the mostly quick links. What are the tutorials we do have? Yeah, sale design. Whenever I saw it, right? Once we are done with the admin console, we'll start with the expression rule and function. That time you need to go through this all the functions. Yeah, we'll give you what are the functions you need to go through because there are 200 plus functions. Okay, just need to explain. I mean, expand, collapse, expand, collapse. If I click on expand all, okay, so the array, and you can see the example because it is selected so dynamically. Okay, this kind of functionality and result. If I would like to give the description, it is getting automatically added. Yeah, just like compatibility and any compatibility if you would like, if you need like, then we can also. These are the categories 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost more than around 15. Yeah, and we also have a deprecated function as well. Here you can see, right, 17R1, correct? So this was okay. We're talking about, and that is also same thing we are getting dashboard layout. Yeah, so it is getting deprecated on 17. Yeah, so we are getting 17R1 as deprecated. Here you can see 17R3, correct? Likewise, few of them you can let me quickly open that to showcase Rosette dashboard layout. Here it is. See what you are getting it. This page contains old version do not appear in category lists. Only newest version are listed. It's a deprecated. Okay. Dashboard layout 17R1 has been deprecated and will be removed in future release of Appian. Repair component in array for information about the dashboard layout. See 19.4 documentation. Can you see this? 17R1 to 19. I said 2 years of gap you will get it. Correct? You got my point now, Pala?
Yeah, yes.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So I think we'll start with the admin console part starting let's say Wednesday. And I think Sarita would like to get back to you. So yeah, would you like to share the screen, Sarita?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me make you presenter. Yeah. Anyone of us will get this yet? Raju, Surya, Ashwin, Bala, Vishwal. Anyone?
No, Piyush.
No,
I just checked my
no.
No,
mail.
no.
No.
Okay. So let's see what Sarita can. Yeah. Oh, even let me check also. This one me. Okay. Okay. So can you able to see her screen? You will get a mail like this. The site link, username, and first time password. Okay. So what you need to do, just click on that site link, Sarita. When you applied with us only, Sarita, or earlier?
This is first time.
No, I mean in today's session itself.
Yes, yes, yes. In
Oh,
today's
superb!
session.
You got lucky, yeah. Okay, try to copy the username as well as the password. Yeah. So we need to follow the same thing. Okay, and we'll once we sign in, we'll showcase to you how it will be called. Just have your site ready. That's it. No need to get a deep dive into it at this moment. You can click remember me now. Yeah, save it. Save it now. Okay.
Anyway, we need to change the password, right?
Correct. Got it. Yeah, go ahead, sign in. Okay, fine. I suggest to make it, very simple, like Appian@1 or Appian@2, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be, easy to remember. You have to give the username, right, while saving. Anyways, I forgot it. Okay, so here you can see, welcome to your guided learning experience. Okay, click on that navigation bar, Rita, once. Navigation, you can see 9 dotted icon near to the avatar. Yeah. Okay, here you can see earlier we don't have that admin console. Now we do have the admin console. Okay. So this is what we are going to start tomorrow. That's how it looks. Okay, earlier we don't have, right now we do have. Okay. So most probably I'm assuming, maximum of 1 or 2 days all of us will get the new site and all. And it is really not required. You can just click on user, Sarita. Click on the users on the admin console part in the authentication. Not the admin,
User.
sorry, in the lab pen. Yes. Below the maintenance window. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Here you can give the access to anyone. If you'd like to give the access to me, just click on create. Okay, in the email, just write apn.piyush@gmail.com.
In username, right?
No, in
Sorry.
email.
In email, okay.
apn.piyush@gmail.com. Okay, username you can just give the Piyush. Same thing, first name you can give it like PI, and no, I think it will be PI only.
PI?
Yeah, and last name give YUSH. Okay, make it system administrator. Okay, and create and add another. Okay, temporary password you need to give.
Okay.
Give Appian@1, A is capital, APPIAN, Appian@1, where A is capital.
Okay.
Yeah, same thing, Appian@1. Perfect.
Create and add another.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay, now let me quickly check whether I received it or not. Yeah, I'm going to my mail. Mm, be given as apn.piyush@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, if I'm not getting, might be in spam. Okay, just a second. It is coming automatically. Yeah. Okay, try to add anyone of us.
This one only, right?
No, try to add any one of us. Yeah, this one only.
Okay.
Click on create. I need to charge my laptop, else I got run out. Anyone can give your mail ID.
Yeah, BISWL Biswan
BISWN. This one.
dot BPM @gmail.com.
So did you remember username?
Biswal. Biswal is straightforward.
Biswal, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You can give anything, okay. But username is
Okay.
required to be important because it
Okay.
will you need to log in using the username. Give Appian at the rate one only. E is capital. Yes, see if you can receive the mail, Biswal.
Yeah, let me check. No, not yet.
It will take some time.
Let me load the page. No, not yet.
Okay, it's not coming.
No.
Okay. Okay. Appian.piyush@gmail.com is fine. Biswal VPN. Okay, let's wait for some time. Okay. But yeah, this is how okay we can definitely we'll cover this console part starting tomorrow. But this is how you need to log in. You will get a mail and you just need to log into the site. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, I think then we can wrap this call up. We're good to wrap this call up. Any question from anyone? Like Ashwin, Surya, Raju, Bala?